This land has been sitting here doing nothing for more than 5 years. 5,000 square meters of soil completely wasted. We're turning this into a fully organic farm from scratch. Honestly, we know it will be hard, but we cannot just sit back and relax. We badly want this land to produce real organic food. For more than 5 years, this land was left untouched. No crops, no harvest, just weeds taking over everything. And honestly, when we first thought about it, gosh, this is going to be a lot of work, a lot of research, and brainstorming. But instead of doubting it, we decided to start and bring it back to life. This project will not just produce real healthy foods, but this way we can help our community by providing jobs where people can earn. Those people who are just working to bring food on their table rather than buying synthetic fertilizers from companies who are already rich and becoming richer by providing a product which will lead us to a non-stop need of what they sell. If you know what I mean, comment down below. This entire area is about 5,000 square meters. To give you an idea, that's roughly the size of almost a football field, but this part where we already planted is just 40% of it. Although the journey won't be easy, but this land has a huge potential. As we all know, in organic farming, plants grow slower, pests can be harder to control, and sometimes crops fail, but when it works, the food is healthier, the soil becomes stronger, and the farm becomes more sustainable. If you have watched our old videos, you will know the natural fertilizers and pest controls that we use. We never tried this method in a larger scale, and this time we will know if this will help us produce vegetables and other kind of crops in a larger scale. But don't worry guys, we will also make a video of how we make those fertilizer and natural pest controls. As we expand and grow our organic production, we want to take you in this journey, and please support us by liking and sharing this video, and please subscribe if you haven't. Let us raise the flag of farming organically. We know we can do it.